Hi there, students. A threat, I guess both countable and uncountable noun. To threaten as a verb and threatening as an adjective. Okay, let's see. A threat is an indication that something is dangerous, something is a potential danger, that a danger is coming. So, I don't know, inflation is a threat to the economy. Yeah, a person or an object that's thought of as a danger. So, this could be a threat to your health. And then also a threat is when somebody says that they are going to injure or to punish you. Okay, so and that leads us to the idea of the verb to threaten, to tell someone that you're going to hurt them or you're going to kill them or cause them problems if they don't do what you want them to do. So he threatened me with his fist. Yeah, he threatened to withdraw from the negotiation if I didn't agree to what he said. Okay, if something threatens, it looks likely that it's going to cause damage or harm. So yeah, inflation is threatening the economy. Yeah, if something bad threatens to happen, it looks like it's going to happen. So there were threatening clouds, threatening grey clouds on the horizon. So we decided to go home instead of get caught in a rainstorm. I think global warming is threatening our current way of life. They threatened to take legal action if I didn't do what they said. Okay, so to threaten, to tell somebody if you don't do it, I'm going to do something nasty. You could warn somebody of a possibility of something bad. Yeah. The boss threatened me with sacking. He threatened to fire me. To threaten to do something. To threaten somebody with something. Okay, so a threat, a danger. Yeah, an existential threat. Yeah, a danger to existence. Okay, an existential threat. A threat is intention to, or to say that you have an intention to do something hostile. Yeah, the family had received death threats in the mail. Yeah, and then a threat, a person, a trouble, a danger. Yeah, a possibility of something bad. So I faced the threat of prosecution. Okay, so something threatening, something that's menacing, something that doesn't look like it's going to be good. So a threat to a person is a danger that something unpleasant or dangerous could happen. The threat can also be what causes this danger. Yeah. Okay, so this is a threat to our way of life. Yeah, or a statement that I'm going to hurt you or harm you if you don't do what I say. Threatening behavior. Yeah, a threatening look, an intimidatory remark. Yeah, if you threaten somebody, you're trying to intimidate them. Yeah, so to threaten to do something. You say or imply that you're going to do something unpleasant. Yeah, the attacker threatened her with a knife. Yeah, if you continue to threaten me, I will just ring the police. So to intimidate, to bully, to terrorize. Okay, this directly threatens the future of the company. Yeah. So people regard this as a threat. So threat and threaten, I think five in formality. I think you can use them anywhere. And then let's see, there's an old English word, preat, which previously was threat, a crowd or a swarm or pressure or trouble or violence, from Proto-Germanic prautaz, prauta, displeasure, complaint, hard work. From Proto-Indo-European, trude, to squeeze, to push, to press. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.